Hi, I'm Kyle Spyrides from Monarch Real Estate, and here's 6B Rowell Gardens in High Wycombe in under 3 minutes. Come on through.
All right, place your bets, ladies and gentlemen. I reckon we can do this one under 3 minutes. Into the rumpus room we go, although I prefer to call this one the chill out zen room. It actually looks over the park. Into bedroom number 1, which comes with a built-in wardrobe. 3 of the bedrooms come with built-in wardrobes, and the master bedroom comes with a walk-in wardrobe. Bathroom number 1 there. Bedroom number 2 down the end. Toilet behind, a lovely feature in the hallway. And onto bedroom number 3. And you know what? I'm going to bet the whole house on it. I reckon we can get this under 2 minutes. Here we go through to the kitchen. There's a walk-in pantry to the right, and we've got this lovely open plan kitchen. Great for entertaining guests and having a lot of fun. And you know what? I'm just going to let you know who this property is not for. It's not for anyone looking to offer under the asking price. Why? Well, if you do, I won't get the sale. Just kidding. I'll still get the sale, guys. However, this property is not for those families that want to have separate areas. It's a modern house, but it is close knit. It's not for people that want big yards and big gardens. This one's actually got AstroTurf, which is great for low maintenance. Property is for people looking to be close to the airport, maybe FIFO workers, young families, first home buyers. Great property for that. Low maintenance, modern, wonderful home.
So there you have it, a modern, low maintenance home with all the extras. We're talking central aircon, solar panels, AstroTurf front and back, garden shed, walk-in pantry, big open areas for the family to enjoy. And across the road, this beautiful park, which I'm told from time to time even gets turtle visitors.